Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Mosley. I'm a Forex trader slash mentor, and I just wanted to break down what the foreign exchange market is, why you should trade it, the different type of currency pairs, time zones that are available for you to trade, and more. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you all could leave me a little feedback, that'll be great. So, let's get started. What is the foreign exchange market? Forex, FX, is short for foreign exchange. Forex is when currency is being exchanged between two different currencies. What is currency? Currency is money. When you travel to other countries, essentially you are participating in this market manually by exchanging your local currency for theirs. This allows you to exchange currencies digitally for profit. Why trade Forex? Because it's more profit. The market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. There's no manipulation. What does manipulation mean? It simply means that you are in control. Think of a string puppet, for example. You are controlling that puppet. Now picture a puppet with no strings. There's no manipulation. Why trade Forex? Because it's the lowest transaction cost. With that being said, you will have a broker. Your broker will get his percentage of each trade that you place, whether you lose or you win. Say if you made $20, the broker will get his percentage, whether it's 30 cents or 40 cents. He will always take something away from you, but it's a low transaction cost. Leverage. What is leveraging? It's borrowing a current amount of money needed to invest in something. Why trade Forex again? Because there's high liquidity. That's how active the market is. Understanding currency pairs. Currency represents the current state of economics of a country. What is economics? Economics is the consumption of goods and services. Pair names are made up of two letters coming from the country and the third being the name of the currency. Exotic pairs. Exotic pairs are major currencies within an economy/currency. Exotic pairs have much larger spreads and higher transaction costs, so be careful when trading exotic pairs. Exotic pairs include but do not limit to the Hong Kong dollar, South African rand, and American peso. Those are the most popular in the Forex market. What's traded in the Forex market? Currency pairs. Currency pairs all over the world. As the currency exchange rate fluctuates, that means go up, down, sideways, whichever way it go, you can decide whether to buy or sell. When trading, you are always buying one currency and selling the other, which is why they are always quoted as pairs. Major currencies are currencies that are paired with the United States. If you look down here in yellow, to your left, you will see that I have a list of the major currency pairs. EUR, USD, USD, CHF, USD, JPY, USD, CAD, AUD, USD, NZD, USD. And I also have their names listed. Euro dollar, dollar Swiss francs, dollar yen, dollar loonie, Aussie dollar, and Kiwi dollar. What's traded in the Forex market continued. If you have major currency pairs, you have to have minor currency pairs as well. Minor currencies, aka cross pairs, are currencies traded against one another that do not include the USD. Examples of this would be yen crosses, pound crosses, euro crosses, and Aussie crosses. Here are a few minor currency pairs listed below. Exotic pairs, commodities known as oil and gas, stocks, Apple, US 30, cryptos, which would include Bitcoin and Ripple. These are just a few examples of the minor currency pairs. When to trade Forex. I have these time zones converted into Eastern Standard Time. Sydney is from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Tokyo is 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. London is 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I have also included the times when they overlap. Sydney and Tokyo is from 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. Tokyo and London is at 3 a.m. This is considered the best overlap because this is when the market has high liquidity. The market is at an all-time high. London and New York overlap at 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. Next, we have the four major sessions: Asia, also known as Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. Now let's look deeper into the four major sessions. Sydney is the official start of the trading day. It's the smallest, most common session to trade. Pairs like AUD and NZD make their initial move. Tokyo is the second official trading session of the day, the third largest trading session in the world. JPY will begin to make its initial move. Sydney and Tokyo. Sydney and Tokyo makes up the Asian session. It's low liquidity. What does liquidity mean? How active the market is. It's ideal for new traders. So if you're a new trader, I would look into trading the Sydney and Tokyo session to give yourself time enough to learn on a low liquidity pair. Now let's take a look at London and New York. London is the largest trading session in the world. Liquidity and volume are at an all-time high. GBP, EUR, CHF are the most traded. Okay, now let's look at New York. New York is the end of the trading day. It's the second largest trading session in the world. CAD, USD pairs are the most traded. Okay, this pretty much concludes my very first Forex trading video. I hope you all gained a lot of knowledge from this video. If you have any questions, please contact me. My information to contact me will be below in the description. Thank you, and I hope you all have a blessed day.